Today's recipe is easy beet salad, delicious and nutritious. To my channel, I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. I hope you come along with me in this journey. We will need 2 cups of diced cooked beets, 1/4 cup of walnuts, 1/4 cup of onions and 1/4 cup of black olives, 2 avocados diced, half a lime, and half a cup of diced cucumber. Just putting together in a bowl the beets, onions and black olives, chopped cucumber, walnuts, salt. I use Himalaya salt and pepper. We mix a little bit. Now we're gonna add the avocados that I sliced and chopped a little bit. Half a lime juice and your best olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Now we're just gonna mix together, and you can add more salt and pepper if needed at your taste. And this salad is ready. Wasn't easy to make and taste amazing. If you like this video, please click the like button, comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.